Hello guys and welcome back for this is the first time making this video, so I hope you guys enjoy. So as you can see, some of you guys might know, well, if some of you guys are living under a rock, well, here you go. So this is PUBG. I think some of you guys might know and some of you guys might not know. So PUBG is well, if some people, well, okay, I'm gonna start explaining this terrible stuff. Okay, if people doesn't know about PUBG, well, I'm gonna explain. I feel like I said that 2 times, but okay. So PUBG is a player unknown battleground. Well, this is off a good start, and that's all. Okay. Well, this is terrible. You guys can clip off. Okay. Bad English. I'm crying. Anyway, this is something. I don't think you guys can see me cry, but that's a good thing. Just kidding. I'm not crying. I think. Not sure. Okay, good start. I'm just gonna. There we go. Now I won't be hearing some noise, and so as you guys. So pretty much well, that's a nice plane. Wait a minute. Oh yeah, and please hit the like button, and please subscribe to my channel. It will be really helpful. So thank you. I'm just gonna follow my teammate. Wait a minute, where are they going? Oh, sure, why not? I need a place to go and kill. This play, huh? Feel like I've been here before. Well, just so you know, you're gonna experience some really bad gameplay, so we will be right what the heck back. Anyway, so this off to a good start. Actually, this is off to a really good start. Just kidding. Everything is trying to have nothing except besides the backpack and some attachment. Okay, just crouch my way in. That sounded weird, but we'll go with it. Roll with it. Okay. Okay. I'm I'm confused now. Oh, by the way, this is not the first time I'm playing this, so but I still suck at playing this game, so please don't be mad. If you want to put hit common, well, you don't get to. Just kidding, you get to. Just please don't be mean. I'm okay, I can't speak for some reason. What am I supposed to say? Yeah, I have no idea. And also, I have nothing to say. You guys can just keep watching. I'm just gonna be silent. If you guys want to hear my voice, well, you get to. If you don't want, well, click off this video. It's free. You can always come back and something like that. And yeah. Oh yeah, by the way, pro tip, you can take. Wait, this is not a pro tip. Well, you can take the bullet off the weapon now. So that's a pretty good update. Legit, that's actually a good update. What was I doing? I'm crazy. I don't know anymore. So by the way, if you want to kill someone, well, use a Uzi, cause Uzi is pretty broken. Legit, Uzi is broken. Oh, enemy. Oh, wait, that's a bot. Never mind. What the heck? What? Get embarrassed, idiot. I got embarrassed. Okay, fair enough. Come back. Oh well, I can't walk. There we go. That actually is embarrassing for me. Man, I really suck. I need to get good. Just guys, leave a comment and say whatever you want to call me. Just say get good, okay? Because I need to get good. Because I suck. Legit. I really sad now. What did I just swap that? Give that back. Blup. Okay. Wait a minute. So I'm just gonna pause the video here. Just a sec. I will be back. Just a sec. Okay. What do I need to do? Oh yeah, pickup and default. Wait. Oh, I was recording anyway. Never mind. Who cares? Okay, we're good. We're good, homies. Right? I'm having a throat, apparently, and no one's with me. Sweet. It's fine. I no need teammakers. You see my shooting that guy? I'm not sure if that's a bot, but I will go with it. I think it's a real player, but he's a noob. A team that's separated to take the loot. Immortal. Do I want to play with it or should I follow my teammate? I feel like every time when I walk, I feel like I'm walking like a bot. Great, number one got a vehicle. Yeah, it's a two-seater. Oh, I guess I won't be having fun. And they're gonna leave without me. I'm a bit sad. Yeah, I'm sad now. Wait a minute, a small building. Let's check. What do you have inside of you? Bullet. Sure, why not? Oops, what I just did. And this is what I'm talking about. This is a terrible gameplay. Oh well, they're leaving me. So I'm sad now. Do I want to put the voice up? Or should I still put it in mute? I don't know. You know what? For you guys, I will put it on mute. Well, number 4 is making noise. I'm actually a bit... I feel like I'm gonna get ambushed. Wait a minute. Number 1 came back for me. Such a sweet angel. Wait. I mean, I technically see a bot, but it's fine. Oh hey, they are right here. And some stunt. Perfect and execution. Perfect execution. Why? Of all things. I need to find M4 soon. Quick and possible. I feel like I'm being annoying actually. Yeah, I definitely think I'm being annoying. Wait. What's he doing? Ooh. I feel like I'm not supposed to take that, but whatever. So purple. Too far, I guess. What the hell? Oh no. Okay, I'm not sure if I say Uno or... Where is the people? Well, technically I'm going to the not a lot of people place, so there won't be a lot of people. And I want to kill people. Kinda bit sad. I'm so bad. I'm so bad. I really suck so much. I suck so much. Like literally, I kinda wouldn't shoot. Yeah. This is why I told you guys to get good. Just put in the comments, get good, okay? For me, not for you guys. Cause I literally can't aim. Oh hey, Phil can. Oh jeez. The door. The door is an enemy. I'm gonna go for this motorbike guy. And also, why don't I have a shoe? What? I swear I was wearing a shoe. Oh well, it doesn't really matter. Okay, we go to the purple place. No? Okay. Oh, okay, we? No, we're going to Portuguese. Wait. Are we? Going here? I guess motor is too fast for... I can't really ride that. Now I want to ride it, but too far. Wait a minute. M4. And my Uzi is blocking. Okay. Going for this. Hehe, boy. I must say, he's actually a good driver. Besides he hitting the rock. But whatever. Nice, nice, nice. Get behind. Wait. We'll pay him. Oh, you got Uzi and M4. Nice. Ooh. I should have another weapon. Didn't expect this, but it's fine. What do you have, mate? This. The weapon that you have. M4, that's what I need. Why does it bully me? Beside my teammate, wait. Ooh, 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 ooh. Did he just... Okay, fair enough. Yeah, that's the enemy. Knew it. Oh dang. Wait, did I blow them up? Wait, what? Did I blow them up? I'm not sure. Probably, right? I mean, they took some damage. I guess. And number 3 left. Or he AFK. But whatever. I killed that person with... Oh, hey. Oh. 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 Throw some stuff. I don't need... Okay, my grenade. What happened? Some health, some of that. I have a bit of a bullet, let's take some more. Cause why not? This person. Vitamin C and an energy drink. I'm being annoying, I'm sorry. I'm very sorry. Actually, I'm being annoying, huh? This is why I'm a crap YouTuber. Cause I can't shut up. But hey, the motto. I'm just gonna take an energy drink. And actually, we're doing good. I'm still not dead. And that's a good thing, right? Wait a minute. I'm not gonna take the Maggie bike? I don't know. Come on, buddy. Oh, oops. Come on. Oh, he need to grab stuff. Okay. Oh, I got green and orange. Green is there and orange is there. Why? Is he trying? I'm a bit disappointed at you. No, I'm sorry, I'm sorry, I'm sorry. Hmm. He chose M for like the best weapon? Come on, dude. That's gonna be rude. Don't you think? He picking stuff that I don't M4 and XKS. There is a 2 times slow. Actually, if someone shoot me, mate, if you shoot me, that's probably nothing. I don't think you can hear my voice though. Here's my gorgeous voice. Just kidding, it's not gorgeous, it's disgusting. I don't know anymore. Anyway, why do I have a feeling there's enemy here? I don't know. And I went... Wait, what? Just so you know, that might be enemy and that might be not, but we're risking it. I have no space, okay. Take... Okay. You can have some of that. Take some, take some. Wait, what? Number 3, number 4. Wait, number 3 is... Can we go there? Kinda wanna go there. I mean, I got orange, so... Wait, did you get something? I don't remember that there's the robotic thing here. Oh, that's red. Wait, you want camp here? I'm not sure anymore. Bro, what are you doing? Okay, so apparently they changed the 4 times scope recoil. That's a bit suck, isn't it? I'm watching my teammate back, because I'm a good teammate. Gets behind. Ooh. I feel like I shouldn't have taken that. He's fine, right? He's fine. Yeah, he's fine. I think. I kind of feel bad now. Oh man. That's a bit of a mess up. Look man, I couldn't handle my perfect loadout. Just so you know guys, my favorite loadout, well, my favorite gun is M24 and M4, so what do you expect? Time to go. Just hope there's no enemy. Just hope. Cause we're literally in top 10 and number 4 took damage. Doesn't he have a health or something? Like physic or something? At least have one, right? Should we try save them? I don't know. I'm just, you know what? Oh god. Okay, there's a vehicle there. Not gonna take it, cause it's pretty fast, but 2 less of armor, so it's gonna explode quite a bit. Okay, I really bad at driving, huh? Yeah, he's right. You're right. You're right, buddy. Look, dog. Wait, that actually scared me. Cause I kinda forgot about him. Wait a minute. Did I lose something? Too much of the stuff, so... Get wrecked. What did I say get wrecked? That's kinda a bit weird. This guy got my favorite loadout, so... Get rid of the bandage. Get that. And I'm just gonna... Yeet. Wait, what's number 2? What? What is he doing there? I see. Hey, look, the enemy vehicle. No, I'm not gonna take that because I don't really use airdrop stuff. That's the thing. I'm not sure if I have done my mission. I don't feel like I did my mission, but I don't care. I'm doing... Oh, he shot at me. I must say, he's actually better. I should probably run. 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 Yeet. Oh, okay. So... I'm not sure if you guys are... Okay, I'm one man over there. Okay. I'm not safe. So as you guys can see, this is say 4v5, I think. Not sure. That's 3 my way. 3. I'm gonna get shot. Oh. Ain't not time for me. Yeah. Ain't got time. Die. No. Dang it. Dang. What a horrendous. Wow, I can't believe it. There's airdrop, actually 2 airdrop near... Damn. Oh, I have to, okay. Protect, look for movement. Something like that. I'll probably... Oh, hey. I just don't know where they are. I don't know. Oh man, So here's the thing. My friend always make fun of me. Well, not really. I just keep saying I'm blind. So yeah. Well, there's a good gameplay. Okay, I will get back to you guys when I find an enemy and I will start recording. And see ya. So guys, remember I say we're gonna find an enemy? Well, I didn't, but look at his helmet. Who exactly you shooting at? It's a motorcycle. Mm. Okay, okay. I see. So please do not. Well, I did say put some hate comment when I don't. When I did some terrible gameplay. So do whatever you want. I don't really care. Cause this is for free. Everybody can sub or unsubscribe. Cause I only have 4 subscribers. Okay, let's see. Stuff and lease. No. Fair enough. I'm gonna get shot. I regret doing this. There's a lot of people here. No joke. Oh hey. A open door. This bro. Dang it. I think everybody shot that at once. So I'm just gonna look at the door. No. What? Level. No. Dang it. We need charge forward? They're saying something you see all day, boy. How do you get my M4? How'd I get dead? A grenade? Really? A grenade? Of all you could do, you just throw a grenade. How dare you? Like, come on. I'm finding one of them. Lordy, lordy da. Oh man. Just so you know. Should I duke it? Should I duke? Wait, before that. There we go. Of all things you could do, you dead. Sweet. I would, but I would not. So, get some grenade. Pretty much. Grenade, grenade, grenade. Thank you. And some grenade, why not? Wait, what? You're not here, mate. Well, a bit rude, but okay. I can get past that, I guess. I feel a bit offended. And why exactly, teammate? Wait. Number one loot is there. And oh. Okay. Smoke there and I have the one only. So I'm not gonna waste it. And why on the roof? I kinda wanna risk it. You know? I don't know. Just gonna stay here and do nothing. So I think I might know where the last enemy is. Behind the building. Just gonna hide. And won't do this anymore. If I die, well, it's my fault. Well, we now know enemy will be there, so okay. We won't know until we throw a grenade. I know, it's a bit crazy, but it's fine. If we die, cause it doesn't really matter. So, yeet. Talio. Huh. Really? Huh. Well, wait, was it recording? Sweet, it was recording. Well, that's the end of the first episode. It's trash, isn't it? Well, anyway, well, make sure to like and subscribe, and it's free always and always. I hope you enjoy. See ya.